Hi all, good evening. So I found one nice effect, water surface effect, which is the plasmatic effect in Phaser 3. This I thought it will be a new feature which can be implemented in game development like background effects and other things. So I thought of creating a sample on this, and then uh, I wanted to share this with you. So currently, this is the JS file which is creating the water effect. Okay, so this is a simple JavaScript file, and in this you can change the numbers values here and check what are the effects you are getting. Okay, now how it is used. So this is the main entry file. In this entry file, we are creating an example class, and there is the game configuration. In pipelines we are using this plasma post 2 fx. So this plasma post 2 fx is imported from this file under the scenes. So here I am loading a background image which is water, and if you see the water is an image, and then that is applied as a background image, and then camera is pointed to this effects. Then we have cursor pointer and configuration. So cursors are not utilized now in this sample, but you can use it to move the camera left and right. So in assets, you see the water.png, and this is a wider water image which you can use for any of the game development purpose. So let me know if you need in detail tutorial about this game effects, or if you want any customization on these effects. Then we can work together and achieve a very nice effect on this. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And you are watching JavaScript game development, mastering JavaScript. This here I would like to share lot of tutorials with you guys in many of the frameworks, not only the Phaser, but I'll try to create games with React and plain JavaScript canvas, and I will share it with you. So keep in touch, and be tuned in to this channel. We'll get more videos, tutorials, and remember one thing: I'm sharing the working links from this game on the below description of the video. So go through it and start practicing. You can make nice progress. Thank you.